In this short tutorial, I will show you how to unlink Monopoly Go from Facebook. If you no longer want the game connected to your Facebook account, follow these steps to disconnect it. To get started, tap on these three lines at the top right. And then tap Settings. And then tap on the Manage Account option at the bottom. To unlink Monopoly Go from Facebook, simply tap on this blue disconnect button with the Facebook logo. Tap Disconnect to confirm your decision. Remember that if you have any other accounts linked for progress-saving purposes, ensure they are still connected before proceeding with unlinking from Facebook to avoid losing any game progress. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.